How's it going, guys? You already know, back at you with another one. We're out in Madisonville, Texas at the skydiving company to do a little skydiving, 18,000 feet with my boy Scribbles and my girl. How y'all feel about it? They scared. Let's go, baby.
Doris Day, Red China, Johnny Ray, South Pacific Water, Witcher, Totem Maggio, Joe McCartney, Richard Nixon, Studebaker, Television, North Korea, South Korea, Marilyn Monroe. Rosenberg's H-Bomb, Sugar Ray, Pamela John Brando, the King and I, and the Catcher in the Rye. Eisenhower vaccine, England's got a new queen, Marciano Liberace, Santa Ana, goodbye. We didn't start the fire, it was always burning since the world's been turning. We didn't start the fire, no we didn't ignite it, but we tried to fight it. Joseph Allen, Malenkov, Nasser and for coffee, all Rockefeller, Campanella, Communist Bloc. Roy Kahn, Rapperon, Toscanini, Daquan, Ting, Bing, Pew, Falls, rock around the clock. Einstein, James Dean, Brooklyn's got a winning team. Davy Crockett, Peter Pan, Elvis Presley, Disneyland, Pardon, Budapest, Alabama, Khrushchev, Princess Grace, Peyton Place, trouble in the Suez. We didn't start the fire, it was always burning since the world's been turning. We didn't start the fire, no we didn't ignite it, but we tried to fight it. Little Rock, Pastor Mac, Mickey Mantle, Kerouac, Spot, Nick, Joe and Live Bridge on the River Kwai, Lebanon, Johnson Call, California baseball, Sun Quitter on the side, children of the little mind.
Paul, welcome to Skydiving Company. How you doing today?
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
You ready to jump out of an airplane first time?
Yeah.
You sure you want to do this?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Oh, here we go.
All right, brother, here we are. You ready to do this?
Woo, I was born ready.
All right,
Let's go.
All right, it's here. Let's go.
Do it.
Control, Ho Chi Minh, Richard Nixon back again. Moonshot, Woodstock, Watergate, punk rock, Bacon, wrecking Palestine, terror on the airline, Ayatollahs in Iran, Russians in Afghanistan, Wheel of Fortune, Sally Ride, heavy metal, suicide, foreign death, homeless vets, AIDS, crack, birdie gets, hypodermics on the shore, China's on a martial law, rock and roll and go to wars, I can't take it anymore. We didn't start the fire, it was always burning since the world's been turning. We didn't start the fire, but when we are gone, it will still burn on and on and on. We didn't start the fire.
Hey guys, that first step's a doozy. Yeah.
All right, here we are inside the airplane. How you feeling now?
I'm nervous.
Nervous?
Yes.
Any shout outs to anybody before we go?
No.
No? Okay, here we go. What'd you think about that, young lady?
Very
That's
scary.
pretty awesome. Thank you for being an awesome student.
You had fun?
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Right on. Thanks for jumping with me.
I would get
Well,
a career doing this.
welcome to World Skydiving.
Bring it home, baby. Bring it home.
Boy, I told you.
Yeah, the only thing about the ears, right? Hey guys, well there you have it for skydiving at the Skydiving Company out in Madisonville, Texas. For the Wolfpack right here signing out. Until next time, peace.